You had a bogus debate.
Unless it is another candidate who had a bogus debate. But it wasn't me.
Sexual harassment.
No, sexual harassment. When it comes to sexual harassment, there are three solutions. Say no. Oyamba daughter, otambu daughter. Who is next to you? How is your security? Then another one. If it has happened, or if it is about to happen, tell someone else. Mako. Ono yakoze bwati ne bwati. Oba lawyer wange. Kino bwati ne bwati. Then another one. Third. Let's use our voices. We are musicians. Abantu bangi nnyo ababadde sexually harassed naye nga tebalina voices. So I humbly request all musicians to use this opportunity to come up with this initiative okubeera nga tukola sensitization and awareness. Those were the 3 points.
Mwekuba kasente Sindi agamba 10 gwe ogamba nkaaga ekituufu kyaliwo ani yagatwala.
Byali bibiri bababuuza ensonga bbiri. There is a difference between association and the circle. SACCO got 100 million for the loans, and then association, Uganda Musicians Association, got 60 million for capacity building. As simple as that.
Was the debate bogus?
It wasn't bogus unless there were some contestants who were bogus, who were whatevering like bogus issues, but I wasn't bogus.
Bogus?
I didn't see anyone who was bogus, but it's you who said it was bogus. No one was bogus. It was a debate. No, kati omwana abeera ng'olabira ddala bambi alina passion for leadership. Naye ng'omulaba alina kaabulamuko. So, ka leadership course kaba kalungi gyali.
It was not bogus, but maybe there was some candidate who were bogus.
No, it wasn't bogus. Kubanga kirina ne level gye tutadde association. UMA is now big. We're having 1,000 tweets. We are trending. And besides trending, there has been awareness among all musicians.
Trending?
Not trending. Besides. Do you understand the meaning of besides? Besides trending, there was awareness and sensitization among musicians that there is a body for musicians.